our computer and use them in InDesign. I will create a new document here in InDesign. So I just click on Create New Document, and this is all the options that I can use to set up the document itself. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. The only thing I'm going to change here is the orientation and use an A4 size and just one page. I'm going to click on OK, and it will create the new document for me. So this is only one page, but I can already place images onto this page. The best way to find images is to use Bridge or MiniBridge. Both of these will help you to find all the files that you have on your computer and then easily place them into InDesign, into your document. So first of all, let me show you Bridge. If you click on this icon here on the top left, you will go to Bridge and you will find the files that you have on your computer. This is basically a file management application, but it's much better to use this than any other applications to look for your files, because this is specifically designed for all the Creative Suite applications, just like InDesign. So I have a folder here with these images, and I would like to place one of them into InDesign. So how can I do that? I just need to select it, and then I go to File and choose Place, and then choose in InDesign. Once I click on that, I will get this little icon here in InDesign, which means that I can place the image. If I click on the page, it will paste it in with its original size. Or if I go back one step, I can click and drag to create a frame for it, so to specify the size. We will learn more about placing in images. I would like to just concentrate now on Bridge and MiniBridge. So this is one way of placing in from a Bridge, but let me just go back to Bridge once again. So I click on the icon here on the top, and I would like to show you another way of doing the same thing. I can again select another image, and I can click and drag and then press Command Tab to switch to InDesign, or Alt Tab on PC, and then drag and drop here, and then I just click and drag to draw another frame. The advantage of using Bridge is definitely the easy way of previewing the images before you actually use them. So let me just go back again to Bridge, and you can see we have a preview here on the right, but we can also easily compare images and choose which one is better for us. So for example, if I select these two images by using Shift or Command clicking on them, I can press Command B or Control B on PC and then see them side by side. If I want to zoom on to some specific part of the image, I can even click on it and then get a full preview in this little loop tool. And we can also see that the noise level on this image is quite bad. It's quite high. Let me just check this other one here. This one is a little bit better, so probably this would be better to use in the document. So that's a good way to preview images, but also you can change the thumbnail sizes, you can make them bigger or smaller, and you have also a lot of useful information here on the right. You can even filter out your images easily from the filter panel. You find an option like orientation, where you can choose only to see the portrait images, or if I click on it again, see everything, or I can choose only landscape images, and then again if I click on it, I will see all of them together. There are many other useful techniques in Bridge, and if you want to learn more about Bridge and MiniBridge, there is a separate course which you can find on Yes I'm a Designer shop. There are many other useful things in Bridge which you can learn more about from my other courses. Before we go to the next video, let me just show you how to use MiniBridge, which is very similar, but it's directly in InDesign. So you will find it here under the window menu, and you can choose MiniBridge, which is a panel. So it will open up MiniBridge panel, which you can place anywhere. And to see here exactly the same images what I saw in Bridge, all I need to do is first of all go back to Bridge, and then here in Bridge I can click on this little icon saying return to Adobe InDesign. If I click on that, MiniBridge will have the same images visible, and I can always make them smaller or bigger. So once I have MiniBridge panel open, I can just drag and drop images from here. So let me just drag and drop this one, and then I place it in here. It's up to you which one you prefer, mini bridge or bridge, but it's definitely the best way to find your images and then incorporate them into your design. In the next video, I am going to talk more about placing in your images into your documents, because there are so many other techniques that can help you to save more time and work more efficiently.